Here at the Berea plant, we build forklifts that range from 1 ton to 9 ton. I'm Matt Caldwell. I am the Operation Innovation Engineer here at the Berea, Kentucky plant at Hyster Atlas. One of the problems that we faced here at the Berea facility was having enough people here to perform the task. Before we got the automated tow tractor, we had one associate that was in charge of bringing the frames to the line and then bringing kits, which are just the components, the parts to actually build the forklifts, to the line. He also had to deliver the product to the other line. So, I mean, he could be 20, 30, 40 minutes behind, and that's just because he's got other jobs in front of that, which means the line is either down or waiting, or the people that's waiting for kits are waiting, so production's not happening. When we brought in the automated tow tractor, that took the frames off of his plate and it allowed him to focus on delivering parts to the line. The automated tow tractor will do the full loop, delivering the product in 19.5 minutes. There is no more wait time. Future plans are, we are currently working on getting another automated tow tractor. The Berea plant has been really responsive with the one that we do have, so we can't wait to get more.